Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to test the jet pump at a hot spring spa. If you press the jet pump button and nothing happens or it makes a buzzing sound, you could have a bad GFCI breaker, a bad jet pump, a bad motherboard, or even a bad heater relay board. Before we get started, let's go over the tools you will need. Tools you will need: multimeter, Phillips head screwdriver, and pliers. Step 1. Remove the equipment door and control box lid. Step 2. Turn your multimeter to at least 300 AC volts. Make sure it has a fresh battery. Step 3. Check the incoming voltage on the terminal block. You should have 115 to 120 volts between terminal 5 and 7, or 230 to 240 volts between terminal 5 and 6 if the spa is permanently wired for 230 volts. If the voltage is less than 110 volts or less than 220 volts, it means you have a low voltage issue. It could be a bad GFCI breaker. Call an electrician to have the breaker tested. If the voltage is good, move on to the next step. Step 4. Press the jets button to start the problematic jet pump. Step 5. Place one lead on jet pump black and the other on jet pump white. You should get a reading of 115 to 120 volts or 230 to 240 volts if your spa is wired for 230. If you have good voltage going to the jet pump but it's still not working or it's making a buzzing sound, it means you have a bad jet pump. Step 6. If you have no voltage or low voltage between jet pump black and jet pump white, check the voltage between the black, white, and red jumper wires going from the heater relay board to the motherboard. Step 7. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 8. Disconnect the black, white, and red jumper wires from the heater relay board. Step 9. Reconnect power to the spa. Step 10. Test the voltage between the jumper wire terminals on the heater relay board. You should have 120 volts between black and white. If your spa is a permanently connected 230 volt spa, you should have 120 volts between black and white and 120 volts between red and white. If you have good voltage going to the motherboard but no voltage going to the jet pump, it means you have a bad motherboard. If you have no voltage or low voltage going to the motherboard, it means you have a bad heater relay board. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.